Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Elbert County, south central Arapahoe County, and northeastern Colorado until 3:30 p.m. At 2:46 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Kiowa, or 30 miles southeast of Denver, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Elbert and south central Arapahoe counties. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3 p.m. for northwestern Elbert County. At 2:35 p.m.